Hey, hi Raghvendra. Hi Daniel. Can you guys hear me? Hello. You guys hear me? Daniel, if you're speaking, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, listening, ma'am.
Raghvendra.
Yes, ma'am, your sound is coming.
Okay. Right. So this is more of a query resolution call. We just wanted to understand, if you have joined the Ideathon and Hackathon, and if you are facing any difficulties, we can
Yes,
help
ma'am.
you out with that. So,
Yes.
have you joined Ideathon or Hackathon?
Ma'am, I joined Ideathon, ma'am.
Okay, so how far are you with that? Do you want any guidance from us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know, communication skills, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Like, my English is bad.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I also try in,
You want to
uh,
speak in Hindi, or I can understand Hindi, Marathi, and English, so you can speak in any of the three languages, if that's fine.
मैम मुझे मैम वो इंग्लिश नहीं आती है.
हाँ, चलेगा।
मैं
आप हिंदी में
कर्नाटका से हूँ.
बोलिए। अच्छा, तो आपको हिंदी
हाँ,
में भी
मैम.
प्रॉब्लम है?
हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा है, मैम.
अच्छा, ठीक है। बट आई थिंक योर इंग्लिश इज नॉट दैट बैड, मतलब आप बोल पा रहे हो, so इट्स मोर अबाउट प्रैक्टिस। आप कंटिन्यू बोलते रहोगे तो आ जाएगा। यू वांट टू
हाँ, मैम.
कंटिन्यू इन इंग्लिश ओनली, या आपको हिंदी, वट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल with?
हाँ, मैम. मैम, वो आपने स्पीच का डेक बोला था ना, मैम.
हम्म।
वो इंग्लिश में ही करेंगे? किससे करेंगे, मैम? हिंदी में से
वीडियो आप
रहेगा?
हिंदी में भी कर सकते हो या इंग्लिश में भी कर सकते हो, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। सी, आपको हम लोग ने एक टेम्पलेट दिया है, राइट, पिच डेक
हाँ,
के
मैम.
लिए। देर
हाँ,
आर
मैम.
सम क्वेश्चंस जिसको आपको आंसर करना है। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन प्रीटी मच add your response into that, and उस basis पे you can create a video also.
मैम,
Hindi, English, both should be fine, no problem.
मैम, हाउ मच टाइम इट मस्ट बी, मैम?
3 minutes is good enough. 3 minutes में काफी हो जाएगा।
हाँ, मैम.
ठीक है। अच्छा, बाय द वे, वुड यू लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ कि आप, लाइक, यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, क्या कर रहे हैं आप अभी?
मैम, मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ यहाँ पे कर्नाटका बैंगलोर में.
ओके।
बी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, मैम.
अच्छा, ओके। कौन सा कॉलेज है आपका?
मैम, कर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी.
सॉरी, विच वन?
डॉक्टर अंबेडकर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मैम.
अच्छा, वेयर इन बैंगलोर? बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन बैंगलोर फॉर सम टाइम, सो वेयर एग्जैक्टली इन बैंगलोर इज दिस?
इन एग्जैक्टली ज्ञान भारती, मैम.
ओके। ओके। So I think I'm not that well versed then, I must say.
हाँ.
ठीक है, no problem. आपने बाकी के
यू मस्ट बी इन
टास्क,
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी और
so yeah, I have a house in Electronic City, but I was in ITPL, which is not so much Bangalore.
यस,
Whitefields,
मैम. इट इज इन केरपुरम.
Whitefields.
यस, मैम. यस, मैम.
Yes. Okay. Amazing.
मैम, when I select in this ideathon,
Hmm.
should I come to Hydra where this hybrid will
No, no. So that, we will have it mostly in Mumbai only, but that will not be like you don't have to come every week or something. So we'll have one dedicated week जहाँ पे you can come down. So we'll discuss that part. That is not a problem. Don't worry about it. ठीक है?
okay,
We'll
मैम.
sort it out for you.
हाँ, मैम.
Okay. अच्छा, by the way, since you were talking about pitch deck, जो बाकी के tasks दिए थे वो सारे आपने एक structured approach लेके किया है? You have gone through all the deliverables and all of that?
हाँ, मैम, वो सब क्या? हाँ, मैम.
कब से किया
वो पीडीएफ पीडीएफ में रहने का, मैम.
है? हाँ, पीडीएफ में अगर आप सबमिट करोगे तो बेटर है,
हाँ,
because that's how
मैम.
the
वो
evaluation will happen.
पीडीएफ the all in पीडीएफ डिलीवरी 1 and 2 to 9 अल्वा, मैम.
So what you can do is that deliverable 9 you can put it separately and बाकी 1 to 8 जो है ना वो आप इकट्ठा डाल सकते हो. You can put it together.
एक फोल्डर में डाल के मैं सेंड कर सकता हूँ.
एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट भी आपने बना दिया ना, मतलब डिलीवरेबल 1 से लेके डिलीवरेबल 8 तक यू कैन पुट इट इन वन डॉक्यूमेंट एंड डिलीवरेबल 9 you can have it separately.
ओके मैम.
Okay, but please
Okay.
ensure that you have taken that structured approach because जो सारे tasks हमने रखे हैं with some purpose, so that you know exactly what thing needs to be done after what, so that
Okay, ma'am.
your final product is good. Okay, a
Okay.
comprehensive, matlab you would have given a comprehensive thought for developing your product or designing your solution, rather, I must say. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Alright.
ma'am.
Anything else, Daniel, I can help you with?
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best. All the best.
Thanks.
Yeah. Raghavendra, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Shweta, will be Raghavendra.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. There's a lot of background noise from your side.
Yeah, Shweta, I'm Raghav.
Okay, Dosi.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, okay. Fine. You have also participated, is it? Or you're just joining the call as it is?
Just participate. I'm watching the phone.
Okay. No worries. Fine. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Hey, hi, Aisha. You put hear me? Aisha, do you want to unmute yourself and introduce yourself and let us know whether you join Hackathon or Ideathon?
Hi, ma'am. This is Aisha here.
Hi.
Actually, I just received a mail day before yesterday from IK. So the thing is, I have no idea about what it is.
Okay.
I just joined because I received a mail about this meeting.
Okay, this meeting. All right.
Yeah.
But you are a student currently, Aisha?
No, ma'am. I'm actually working as a lecturer in college.
Okay.
So I was thinking maybe, this is regarding some startups ideas or something.
So basically, we run this community which you are part of, right? Industry Academia community. I think you are on the platform already, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So far, Aisha, what we were doing for last 2.5 years is we were supporting students to prepare for jobs and the career into, I mean, whoever were job seekers predominantly. Industry exposure, so industry training, internships, and job opportunities, right? Now we have initiated an entrepreneurship, or rather, we have started an entrepreneurship initiative also, which is called as Dolphin Tank India. So it runs pretty much on an incubation model where individuals would get into the competition through Ideathon or Hackathon. Ideathon is predominantly for individuals who want to become founders. And Hackathon is for people who want to build a product, right? The tech guys, so they can be co-founders or the tech co-founders. So it starts with that, and the winners will then be mentored by us and our network and the founders of our network organization. And while they are being mentored, this complete sessions and the activities will be streamed on OTT as well, right? To give the visibility for whatever work these guys are doing. And further, they will get support to build a product. So the founders, co-founder matching will also happen in, and then they can build their product and distribute their product within this industry academia ecosystem itself. And once they are ready for the market, then we will support them in fundraising also through the network of our angels and venture capitalists.
All right.
So this will go throughout the year. This will happen season by season. So this is our first year to do that.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So,
So if I want to go ahead with something, I mean, what do you think would be best
so
suited for
you
me?
are
Like,
a technical, you teach technical domain. You are a lecturer
yes,
in
ma'am. I have done masters in computer applications.
okay.
So I'm looking for, even for students also, I'm trying to, build something which will be useful for
Your
the
students
students.
can also participate. You can also try, and there is no restriction on whether you should be participating in one thing only. You can do both the things.
Okay.
So that's not a problem. The problem statement is pretty much the same, but the tracks are a little different
Right.
for
Okay.
founders and the tech guys. So you can look at both of them and try out one or the other, or even both, and maybe encourage your students also to participate, because we are not having any restriction on a number of winners over here, right?
Yeah.
So we can pretty much take in as many people as possible because this is happening
Mhm.
online.
Yeah.
Okay, so whoever is coming up with good ideas is able to think in a
Mhm.
structured manner, because the tasks
Mhm.
which we are giving are
Mhm.
so that these individuals can think in the structured, take a structured
Mhm.
approach to developing solutions, right?
Oh,
So
right.
that is what you know they can do,
Okay.
then be the winners also. All right,
Okay. Thank you,
Aisha.
ma'am.
And we're more than happy to collaborate with your college also for the benefit of your students, because the other bits that we are doing. So we'll be more than happy to connect with you guys.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, thing is, we have a summer muse program which is upcoming on Saturday this week.
Mm-hmm.
So I was wondering if it is possible to have some kind of camp or kind of workshop wherein we'll explain all about this, what you have explained to me just
Yeah,
now.
definitely we can do that. What I can do is I'll share my email ID and you can drop me an email. I'm sharing my email ID in the chat. Okay. Once I respond to that, you'll have my number also.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have students from BCom computer background.
That
So they
is
are
fine.
going to graduate this maybe like in couple of months, next couple of months.
No problem.
And then we have some students from BCA also. So they
Hmm.
are actually first year, so they are quite new. So,
You're
but
right.
still, I want to get them, going like,
Yeah, I think
because
the earlier they start, it will be better
yeah,
for them,
better than
because
for
by
them.
the time they are ready for the internship, I mean, they can pretty
Yeah,
much do the internships with us.
internship.
But these are
Yeah.
no selection internships, because the first year, second year
Mhm.
students do not understand anything about it, right? So at least
Yeah.
they get the exposure for that. And if they
Mhm.
complete those internships, they will be well versed with the industry terminologies and the ways of working and all that. So that will
Yes, yes, ma'am.
prepare them to get paid internships also. Obviously,
Oh,
we
yeah.
can also hire them if they are doing good during the internship. And they can find out the opportunities on their own as well. So I'll be more than happy to do a
Yeah,
session with
ma'am.
them, Aisha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I
Oh,
have
yeah.
shared my email ID. You can connect with me.
All right, ma'am. I'll just check it out.
Yeah. And just in case, sometimes the message might go in spam also. You can actually copy in another email ID. Typing it in the chat as well. This is our support email ID. Okay. So while you're sending the email, please mark a copy to this, so at least either will be picked. I mean, the message will be picked from either of them.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Amazing. Thank you. Thanks,
Um,
Aisha. Anything
yeah.
else that I can help you with?
See, actually, ma'am, apart from the students, even I am thinking of going, for kind of a app. I don't know. I'm not sure about it, how to
Yeah,
put it.
see, again, this could be your platform to explore it out, how things need to work, and also there
Yes.
is no binding. This is online. You do not have to
Mhm.
dedicate specific number of hours. So you can just explore certain things, and then wherever you need support, we are always here, so we can help you
So,
out.
there's a website, or where can I find everything that the kind of support that I'm looking for?
So once you're on the platform, there are
Mhm.
dedicated chat rooms for Ideathon Hackathon, and if
Mhm.
you are doing from the other side, more of industry
Mhm.
training or
Mhm.
the industry exposure sessions and all that, there are separate chat rooms available. Plus this
Mhm.
email ID which I have shared, member at industriacademiacommunity.com. That is another way to reach out to
Mhm.
us. Plus, we have weekly meetings. Now, the Wednesday 6 p.m. meeting is for the entrepreneurship bit, and
Right.
if it is for the job seekers, that is the internships or industry
Mhm.
trainings and all of that, we have another meeting on Friday at 5.
5 in the evening, right?
Yes.
So I would definitely would
Yes,
like to
you
be
can be
part
part
of
of
it.
that also. With the internships, we have 54 domains. Like you have BCom
Right.
students also, BCA students also, right? So the
Yeah.
54 domains are from the field of IT, management, and humanities as well. So with the advent of AI, I think the humanities
Yeah.
part is something that is flourishing now. And it's important that those students can get a lot of opportunities in this field. So we have
So
started.
sciences are not there? Sciences like
Social sciences, you mean to say?
no normal science, maths,
STEM?
and STEM. Yeah.
No, no, no. So we are not going to that granular level. These are predominantly all the IT domains, right, from data
Right.
and web
Mm-hmm.
development and all of that.
Yes.
So those are there, and in management, the general HR,
Mm-hmm.
we have uh, marketing, sales.
Marketing, sales. Yeah. So that is
Finance, your BCom guys can pretty much do the finance part.
finance
On
part.
the humanities side, we have language, psychology,
Mm.
sociology, because we are more of a social enterprise. So
Alright.
I'm sharing
So
the link with you again in the chat. What you can do is you can go through that, and all the domains that we have, those are listed on this link.
So, ma'am, I mean, so the thing is, so I don't know how to ask it, but will you be charging like for
No,
this
there are no
support?
commercials. No, no, no. We are doing
Okay.
it absolutely free of cost. Just to give you a sense of why we are doing all of this, we are a IT and management consulting company, and we have aspirations to bring 85 million global jobs to India, so that the youth in India can deliver projects from here, and India can become a talent hub. What it does for
Right.
us as an organization is obviously it helps us to generate business, right? So we're trying to develop individuals who can be part of our team, and we can who can pick up on these global jobs that we are bringing. So in the past 2.5 years, we have tried to develop this platform. We have supported 5 lakh individuals from 75 different countries to become more employable, to become industry ready. And this is all done at no cost. So anything that is happening as part of ISC, there is no commercials attached to it
Yeah.
for the
Thank you
benefit
so much, ma'am. Yeah.
of the mission.
That's an overview course, I would say.
Thank you so much. It's very close to the heart of our founder, and that is what is driving us. We are also all dedicated to this. All, even all the team members, pretty much, work towards this cause and bringing it into reality. So, yeah.
So I guess I'm very fortunate to have found you at the
Yeah, we
right
can
time.
say that. We can say that we are glad that you are on the platform and we can be of some help to you guys.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
Aisha.
thank you,
Please
ma'am.
encourage your students also. And as I said that, there is no competition sort of a thing here in terms of the number of people who can participate, or there are only 3 position of winners or anything.
Yeah.
Anybody who is doing good, we recognize their efforts. We recognize them. We have something called as Excellence Awards also. So we have 10 different categories wherein, we are recognizing interns, the faculty members also for that matter, college also. So you're encouraging your students to participate in all the ISC activities. That's going to benefit them, and also the college will be recognized. Even as a faculty member, you would be recognized for encouraging them. So
Yes.
it's an annual thing that we do. There are others for companies also, for individuals who are mentoring the
Okay.
also. So there are quite a few categories, about 10 categories. So that part is also there.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So the thing is, if I want to introduce this to my students, so should I just ask them to join your session, like how it works?
they can simply join the platform and pick up on things, but it could get confusing. So we can
Confusing.
have a session for them where we explain about everything that they can do on the. That will be about 30 to 40 minute session where we
Session.
talk about all the paths that are available on our platform, and it's an absolutely free platform also.
Platform. Yeah.
Right?
Okay, ma'am. So I'll just go through the platform and I will get back to you
Yeah,
on
you
the
can reach
email.
out to me. I'm also on LinkedIn. I'm sharing it on LinkedIn, so I think there also we can connect it. That will be better to start
Yeah.
with. Obviously, this is just a backup if I'm not receiving your email. So I'm giving you all the
Yeah,
possible.
I'm on LinkedIn.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you just message me or I'll message you.
Yeah, you can message me. I've shared my profile because your name is very
LinkedIn.
common actually, so it might be difficult for me to find out. What did you say your college name is, Aisha?
Also, my college name is St. Joseph Degree College for Women.
St.
So
Joseph.
we are actually we are based out in Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay.
So we have a lot of branches here, but I'm working specifically at Tapur branch, which is in Hyderabad again. Yeah.
Okay.
So a
Okay.
lot of students are graduating. So I'm not able to provide them a kind of internship wherein they will be having
No, I
exposure to
think
the industry.
we have a lot of opportunities that way.
Yeah.
And they do not need any prior experience or any.
Prior
They can
experience.
learn. I think if you attend our sessions on
Mhm.
Fridays, right, the 5 p.m.
Mhm.
ones, you will understand how students are learning on the fly and delivering the
Mhm.
projects. That's the whole intention because with the
Yeah.
kind of changes, the pace of change,
Change,
they
yeah.
would have to learn it while they're doing the work, right? So we want to inculcate that bit also in them.
Yeah, because now is the time for them because once they are out of that time, then it will be
Yes.
difficult for them to catch up because things are changing so fastly nowadays. The
Absolutely.
technology is going. So
And
I say the thing is,
that's the reason why we want, I mean, like you mentioned, we want your first year students also to get involved. That's the best approach because they get
yeah,
more
ma'am.
time to explore things also.
Yes.
So that'll be good. We are encouraging colleges and we are trying to engage with them right from the induction, where
Yeah.
we can help the students understand the importance of being on this
Mhm.
platform and learning things right from the start.
Yeah, ma'am.
So,
So I'll just talk to my principal ma'am also about
sure,
this.
sure.
Okay, if if she tells okay, then we can have the session on one of the summer muse programs.
Sure,
And then we can have a different session for my students. Just
definitely.
like I said, 30 or 40 minutes that you said.
Yes.
So since it is online, I think it will be a good thing because college timings are till 2 to 3 o'clock only. So after
Yeah.
that, it is difficult to catch up with the students.
Hmm.
So because next month they probably will be having semester end exams. So
Yes.
after that, I will not be able to get in touch
Yes.
with them.
Yes. No
So
problem.
this is
You
the right
can
time.
you can we can discuss that and we can sort it out for you, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Thank you
yeah,
so
we
much.
are having this ideathon hackathon. Meanwhile, you can just encourage them to at least register because
Huh.
the deadlines for submission is about 15th. So 31st is the deadline for registration. So at least they can register and keep and they get enough time to work on that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Aisha. Thanks. Nice talking to you.
Yeah. Same here, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Just note this down.
Thank you.
Mm.
Anyone
Yeah.
else who's there? I think we're sorted, right? We'll wait for another 5-6 minutes, guys, and then maybe we'll see if somebody's joining. Else we can end the. No? I think we might not have any more people joining in. So, should we close the call, guys? Makrand, Anshu, Vineet,
Uh, yeah,
or
we can close the
Sir
call.
is waiting.
Yes, we can close the call, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
I just had one more question.
Sure, sure.
There is something called as a career-based counseling, which I just saw in your website.
Career-based,
Yeah, career-based
sorry,
counseling.
personality-based career guidance. Are you talking
Yeah,
about
sorry,
that?
it's personality-based.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So what we try to do is that we try to understand the personality of the individuals with, through few questions. And then based on that, there are some recommendations that the app gives them
Yes,
as to which domain they can select, what can they do on the platform. So that particular guidance is there to start with, obviously. That will help them to explore things that suit what they like to do generally. Currently, obviously, these things will evolve because the personality of individual also evolves as they get the exposure and as they work on certain things. But
Yeah.
currently, with whatever they are liking, they can at least explore things and then try to get exposure about those things and then pick
Yeah,
up the domain
pick
accordingly.
up from there. Because what I've seen is a lot of students don't get proper career counseling, at
Yes,
the early stages itself. So once they complete the degree, they have no idea what they are supposed to
yes,
do because they haven't decided about their goals and, career ambitions. So
yes,
that bridge, I want to, I mean, yeah, so they should have some options wherein they can see where they stand and what they can do ahead. Because
exactly.
I'm facing this. I mean, even I faced this issue when I was at that age.
I think
So
that's with
I
each one
yeah.
of us, right? And mostly we tend to follow
So
what somebody in our family is doing or
yes.
somebody in our society.
Yeah, somebody will suggest, relatives will suggest this, you go for
Yes,
that. So I think we have made a wrong decision at that stage. So I'm just preventing my students from doing the same mistake I did.
yeah,
So I think this kind of programs will be helpful to them because they are not sure what to do go ahead. So this kind of thing I think will be helpful in this summer muse also.
yes.
If I kind of
I
set up
think
something.
one of the major things with IT, people in IT or computers is that, they think that it's all about coding when there are broader,
Yeah,
it's a very broad sort of domain. So that
Yes,
myth is something that, keeps people away from exploring other options also. So
sure.
we are
So yeah,
trying to create awareness about that as well, that, okay, you might have
yeah,
taken IT because somebody has pushed you to do that, but it's not all about
yeah.
coding. There are many other things, there is product management, there is project management. You can use your basic.
Even I was thinking.
Yes, yes. So I recently, one of my contacts, they were struggling because he was not interested in coding. He has done his 4 years of engineering, thinking that only, that I'm not interested in coding and I might not want to take up anything in this field and maybe switch the uh, career. But I said that
Career, yeah.
these are the other options you can explore. He did the personality test, and it was kind of a discovery for him that, okay, there's something called as product management also. So,
Yes.
these are the kind of things that we can introduce to the students and help them.
Students.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
So I'll just mention about this also, apart
Yeah.
from the other things that are available on this platform.
They can, I
So
mean, this is something that they can start immediately, So when they come
immediately.
for the session, they
Yeah.
are more attuned to, and they can have specific questions also.
Also, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So let us see, ma'am. I mean, I think a full session with you would be good for them because
Surely, sure.
I'm
Yeah.
also new to that to this platform.
Yeah, definitely. You can
Yeah.
arrange for a session, and it will not take much time for us to,
Yes, ma'am.
arrange for things
Yes,
from our
ma'am.
side. Okay. By the
Okay.
way, I just quickly for our understanding, how did you find about the platform? How did you get
I
to?
actually don't remember. I think because I had applied somewhere. So all of a sudden, I received a mail yesterday that there is going to be some session today.
Okay.
I
So
just
had you
opened.
applied for some job on our platform, or was it on LinkedIn that
Yeah, I
was
don't
the
remember because I've been working
okay.
in this as a lecturer for the past 1 year. Before that, I was trying so many things. So maybe I
Okay.
must have done
That's
something
fine.
because
Yeah.
I was
Sure.
interested in hackathon. So
Okay.
because the hackathons normally IT, it would be good for a project and all that. So
Yes,
maybe
yes.
in that I must have clicked. So right now, I all of a sudden I
No
received a
worries, no worries. It
mail.
was just more for us to know how people are getting to know about us because
Yeah.
these 5 lakh members that we have on our platform, these are predominantly through word of mouth, and it's not that we have spent anything on marketing or anything.
Marketing.
It
Yeah.
was simply we posted on LinkedIn, and it was just partnerships with colleges. It was all through word of mouth only. I mean, we started it only for students, and
Yeah.
as the platform was open for everyone, we saw that
Yeah.
80% of them are actually working professionals also, so
Right.
it's helping them as
Uh,
well a lot.
Yeah, because even I am looking for a kind of a career transition because as I
Right.
just told you, because I want to do something, but at that time I took a BCA and then
Right.
I went into some other field. Like my job profile was very different, my degree
Yes.
was different, so my background was different. So I was really very confused around that stage. So the
Yeah.
only thing was I was earning money, so that's all that mattered to me.
Yeah, I think so at some point in time that is important, but beyond a certain point,
Yeah,
then it doesn't mean anything, right? So, but
doesn't.
I think you have this opportunity to explore since this is
Yeah,
online.
so
Please take that opportunity, and
yes, ma'am.
because you can very
So.
well manage the time since this is
Yeah,
online.
right now.
This is flexible, so this will
Mhm.
definitely help you, and we all are there to guide you wherever you're getting stuck
Yes,
at.
ma'am.
All
So
right?
because I need some mentor also, because I feel that
Yes.
there is a need for mentorship for me, even for my students also. I think
Yes.
it would be good if they have some mentor, to guide them. So
Yes. I
maybe it
was
has
just
come to me to the right time.
Yes, yes, definitely. And in fact, the best part is because we are doing all for free, right? So there are many
Yes.
people who are going through our program. They're now in the industry working with great
Mhm.
organizations, and they're
Yeah.
reaching out to us that we would want to support the other lot of people
Mhm.
coming on the
Yeah.
platform. So that is one best part, that these
Mhm.
individuals who are going out in the
Mhm.
industry, they're
Yeah,
coming
it's a
back
very,
and
very noble
supporting.
gesture, ma'am.
Thank
That
you
you
so
people
much.
are not charging anything because I think maybe it's the first time I am coming across a, kind
Thank
of
you
a
so
medium
much. With
platform wherein they're not charging anything.
Thank you so
So
much.
I think
It
may
is.
God bless you and your community
Thank you so
expands more and you get everything in return.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think these are the best things, I mean, these are the rewards
Yeah.
that we are looking for, and I'm sure with the good intent that we are doing all of this, it is going to
Yeah.
benefit others also, and we
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
able to reach many people.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. If I have any doubts, I'll just mail you, ma'am.
Sure, you can mail us, or again, as I said, Wednesdays 6 p.m. and Fridays 5 p.m. We are here to talk to you guys.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you. Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, Vineet, Anshu. All right. Fine. Chalo. We'll close the call then. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.